So in this tutorial, we learn how to change visibility of your repository. So for instance, when you first created your repository, you had set it to public, but now you want to change visibility to private. So for my case, I want to change my agri-tech project from public to private. So first open your repository. You can see that my visibility is public. I want to change it to private. Click the settings menu. Scroll down. And inside the danger zone, you can see change repository visibility. Click change visibility and select change to private. Click I want to make this repository private. So you have to read and understand the effects. Click I have read and understand these effects. And click make this repository private. So when you come back to your project repository, and you'll see that my project repository has changed from public to private. So that's how to change visibility of your GitHub repository. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Pro Education.